Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your Shopee account is verified and the app is updated. This avoids token or feature mismatch. Once ready, open Shopee, tap the Shopee Pay wallet, then select Pay Later. You will see an introductory screen explaining eligibility and basic terms. Read quickly, then tap Apply. Enter your phone OTP when prompted to confirm it's you. This initial flow connects your account to the Pay Later service and triggers the identity verification step that follows. Now you complete the important verification. Fill in your legal name, birth date, and address exactly as on your ID because mismatches cause rejects. Next, upload a clear ID photo and take a live selfie. Make sure the image is well lit and follows on-screen framing guides. The system compares these for identity match. Once done, link a repayment method such as your bank card or Shopee Pay balance and grant required consents so the system can perform credit checks and set your initial credit limit. Finish by reviewing the Pay Later terms, note fees, due dates, and minimum payments, then accept to activate the service. You'll be prompted to set a Pay Later PIN, choose a secure, memorable 6-digit code, and confirm it. Once activated, make a small purchase to confirm the flow and see your assigned limit. If approval is delayed or fails, recheck your uploaded documents for clarity, ensure your name/address match, and then retry. If persistent issues remain, contact Shopee support with your ID and application reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.